Which way? It's over here.
Parking. We're in Jurassic Quest. Parking 16. Wow, mahal. Dollar ang parking.
This is park line. Okay.
Excited to meet the dino. Ayun yung magpa-hold. Gusto nyo mag-running over. Here we go! Here we are! Jurassic Day! We're in Jurassic Quest! Wow! 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 Freya! Hindi takot si Badiday. Ayaw talaga niyang matakot. See? What was that? Magalaw. Ayan. Manood kayo guys. Kasi si Freya kung saan natakbo. Ito lang pala siya. Ayan yung iba't ibang klase ng dino. Andito na lahat. Just watch us. Yo! Wow! Oh! Where is brother? Hindi pala ito ang mukha. Akala ko yan na yun. This is just the name of that dino. Wait. Ayaw maghintay ni Baduday. Look, oh, there's a baby dino there. See? Alright, now you can go get in there, Freya. Yeah, promise. Ayan siya. Yeah. Asan na si Gabriel and Daddy? Wow. 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 Ang kulit ni Freya, hindi mo maano. Ayaw niya magpahawak. Dito na kami. Kulit na pa. Naligaw na.
You go backwards.
Look here.
Good job, kid.
Just like Daddy, you're a good driver, Gabriel.
How you doing, Freya? She's 2. I'm like, no, she's 1.5. Oh, I'm like, she's driving brother.
What a good driver. Wow.
Oh, you sure you know?
This movie. No way.
If scientists were able to bring back a T-Rex, don't stand still and hope that it doesn't see you, or you might become its lunch, or at least a snack.